Hello from the Storm 5 HD Weather Center. I'm News Channel 5 meteorologist Kelly Cox. Here's a look at what's going on across the mid-state. We'll see some clouds this morning across the area and a few showers just to our south, especially earlier in the day. As we head towards midday, we'll see most of those showers move to the east of our area. A few may clip our most southern counties, giving us just a 20% rain chance, but most of us will be dry with increasing sunshine through the afternoon. Clearer tonight and much more sunshine for your Tuesday, with most of those showers staying to the east of us into East Tennessee. Same thing into Wednesday. We'll see most of the showers staying to the east, but just a slight chance of rain in our southeastern counties. Today, 81 for your high. Look for clouds to decrease through the day and a light northeast wind. Mainly dry this week after a small rain chance today. Highs will go from the low 80s today to the mid 80s by midweek. Have a great day.